You see what I did? See, learn from this, okay? Guys, learn from this. I was trying to do $2.50. That's the reason I recorded this video. $2.50, and all of a sudden I changed $7.50. How many spins? Just calculate yourself on the video, and you will know what I was trying to do. Okay? Alright, let's see. Watch now. Now is the time. This is live video, okay? This was very live. The way I can talk, because there was no disturbance in video recording. So it was pretty awesome in that perspective. But I just wanted to show something what goes on to win a machine, because I show in my videos, because I'm on the winning side. But I recover my losses very quickly, and I have ways to recover my losses. So everyone does that, lots of people bet this, but they don't know how to recover their losses. Okay, so different circumstances. The place where I'm playing at the moment, it's all machines, so I don't have roulette where I can rely on. I don't have anything else to rely on. It's only these machines, and I have been playing this machine $2.50, and before these 50 cents, all those pins. Probably if you come across those videos, I'm not pretty sure, but watch this. So see this. So our basic aim was to get back, okay, to win big, but we still ended up with how much? $100. Same thing, because the machine was taking our money away. All right, so I'm still in profit. I'm not at all negative. It's been 2 hours, 3 hours, same machine like last time I did. So I'm not gonna try and hit this major, because I know the major will come up if I try and hit. But then it's very risky, because it's 788 at the moment. Okay, so I can try $10 something, with $3,000 pocket money. But then when you have played 2 or 3 hours, then it's very risky. So you got to wait and watch. It's very risky, because then you play small bets, then you play big bets, and it doesn't work. But you just saw exactly what I did. I was playing $2.50, and all of a sudden I changed to $7.50 in after so many spins, and exactly at the time it gave me a free spin. So you know what I'm doing. Okay. All right, let's follow up on the videos. Okay. All right, see ya guys. Bye.